I know how to help people, and now you guys, because these women don't ask me nothing, don't understand what she's talking about.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're either gonna have you switch your seat because my flight attendants are not allowing you to sit in the exit row, or you're gonna have to get off this plane and then we'll have to leave because they're not comfortable with sitting in the emergency exit row. My flight attendants. And unfortunately, it is fair.
It's not fair.
Yes, it is.
But you guys, when I was making check-in, they asked me, do I know English? Yes, I said.
And they said yes, and
Yes.
I understand that,
Why
but it's
you guys
also
didn't-
off of their judgment. I'm not gonna do this back and forth. I will call a supervisor. You can either take a different seat, or we can go ahead and escort you off the plane. Which one are we doing?
You have to sit
Okay,
and-
I'll call a supervisor, and then we're gonna have to rebook you for a different flight. Josh, do you copy?
Do you have any luggage?
没有他喜欢的性格。
哎，要把压下不是啊？还是真不脏啊？还是不是风筝？